Hello, my wonderful people. Good afternoon, and thank you for your overwhelming response on the previous strategies and the videos that I've shared this far. And it's really humbling to see the testimonies. It is humbling to see the feedback from you guys. It is so amazing. I'm grateful mostly to those who subjected themselves to be students of this channel, okay? And I love you all. I adore you so much because you are here as part of the family and you've allowed yourselves to learn from my experience. So I'm so grateful for that, okay? So today I'm not going to do a strategy. This is just something that in your own time. I know there are some programmers in the family, okay? So these programmers, if they can be able to do something, I'd really appreciate. So this is not a strategy, but it's just something to open your eyes, okay? It's just something to open your eyes. And I want you to check something. This is, of course, it is both boom and crash. We'll see crash. This is boom 500 for now. This is RSI 80. RSI 80 with levels 69, 59, 50, 43, and 37. RSI 80 and those levels that I've indicated 69, 59, 50, 43, 37. I want you to see what and how the market behaves when it reaches these points. Okay? Check here. A spike comes and it is 3 or 4 spikes. Here again. A spike comes and it is 3 spikes. Here again. A spike comes and it is 3 spikes. Okay? So after you've put these levels, if for sure the first spikes happen on this level, the second spike happens on the same level, then know that the third spike testing the same area will be massive. So you might miss these first two, but you will catch these ones. This one, the third. Okay? And can you see how many pips that was? A lot of pips, more than 50. I think either 60 or 80. This here. Okay? So let's continue. I want you to check the lines. I want you to see how the market behaves when it reaches those lines. There it crossed this time round, but spiked after that. It crossed again a bit, but spiked again. And then it started going up around the same area. 3 spikes in a row. Okay? We continue. The same area again. So this one. And then it comes and retests again. And the spikes that come around this area are very massive. Check again. The same 43. You see? And as long as it is retesting, I told you if it is the third time, so this is the first time, the second time. So as long as it is retesting the third time, it has to be very massive. Okay? Let's continue. This time round, it started from level 50. So mark level 50 again very keenly. Level 50 is very important, especially on an uptrend. So level 50 is always like major reversals for trend establishment, because this first part here, it had not shown us that we are going up. But this part that started from 50, it has now to go up for long. So mark level 50 very keenly. Anytime it spikes from level 50, it will be major, okay? And you see this is the second time it is retesting. There was a first time here. Though it's not even the first time, but there was another first spike, and then second spike, and then now the third one as it went up completely. Okay, so check very keenly the reversals that come around area 50. Check here again, it comes and uses level 59 as support a few times, And then the moment it breaks that point coming down, you can sell. So the same way you are using it for spikes is the same way you can use it for sales, especially if it has ranged around this area for some time. It has retested that position and retesting again, because here it was used as resistance. Here it was used as support, that is level 58. Here again used as support. Here again used as support. And then this time round it comes and break free here. So the moment it breaks free, it must for sure sell for some time. You see? For sure. And it goes all the way to where we came from, level 43. Mark those levels very keenly. So it's not a strategy, yes, but I'm giving you key levels that the market reverses, because I know there are people who love RSIs, and sometimes it is a bit tricky to note these points. So this one, as I told you, I always tend to, either changing market, or if I'm looking at this kind of setup, I would always use the TDI or the Bollinger Bands, because you will find it is spiking at the top and at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. But these are levels to be ignored, okay? It comes, breaks level 43, but it does not reach again 37. It starts spiking and goes up all the way. So first spike takes us to level 43, okay? And then the retesting and then up, okay? See again, level 50, level 50, test twice, then more spikes. See again, this is more of like middle, but as long as it comes twice, it forms something like a W. It's a key point to note, don't ignore. More spikes, and then it goes and comes and crosses that level here. So as long as it crosses the level, you can sell. Comes again to level 43. As I told you, comes to level 43, comes to level 37, stays around level 37, goes to retest level 43. You see, retests 37 3 times. This is the first, the second, the third. Goes up to 43 again, retests 43. Okay, comes to 37 again. You see, and all this, the movement from one level to the other is always like very big sell also. You see all this. Okay, so comes to level 37, retests again. The moment you will find it crossed like on top here and at the bottom here, know that that market is very trending and it would not be very safe for you. But as long as it stays within these zones, it's very safe for you. You see, 43 spike. And when it spikes around these areas, it always comes in series, not like one spike. You see here again, retesting 43 and then massive spikes. Okay, this one comes in the middle. So the spikes that always happen in the middle, not at the top or at the bottom of those lines, it is always ranging until when it touches, and then like some big spikes happen, like what you can trade. But what happens in between, you can always ignore. Okay, again 43. Okay, you see 43 again. As long as it is on 43, it is very big. Okay, let's continue. Again 43, very massive. This is a tip I'm giving you guys. So you can even choose to ignore all the other levels and pick 43 and 50 alone. Okay, you pick 43 and 50, but on the other side, let's wait for, we'll see which zones come with the crash. So you see any spikes that happen on area 43 is really massive. You see, very massive. 43 again. So 43 is our winner. And then I told you area 50 is always trend establishment. And you see from here, it starts going up completely. Yeah. Then starts again coming down. So as long as it's broken our area of where it was used for long, then you know it will come, and it will come all the way to 43 again. This time round it went all through to 37 and then starts reversing up. Okay, so goes to 50 and then starts coming down to 43 again, no more in to 30 to 37, then comes again to 37 and then breaks 37, goes below it and then starts going up again. Okay, going up to go and retest here 43, 43 again, breaks, comes down to 37. So anytime you will find it ranging between 50, 43 and 37, so it is generally on a downtrend, but again it still has to spike on those zones. It doesn't really go beyond that, you see. But as long as we're downtrend, massive spikes here, as long as it is retested, you see here, first retesting, second, third, massive on area 37. We come back to our 43. My 43 is my favorite. Okay, and then this is more of in the middle. Okay, we come again to our 37. Always check this, always look for these kind of setups where a level is used as a resistance, like it is spiking but not going above that, spiking but not going above that. So it will come down from there and go down at least for some time, and it might cross one level and then the next level is when it will start spiking. Okay, so those who are scalpers can take advantage of that. So we now go and break. So anything beyond this area, I told you, is a very trending market. I wouldn't even think of like trying to catch them spikes. You see, all this area is not safe for me unless after it had come back and you see it came to 37 and then spiked again. And then now from there is our normal range. So our 43 again spikes around area 50 now, so in between, but now looking for way up. So from area 50 is really uptrend. Okay, see area 50, another spike, area between, in between. So these ones that happen in between, you really don't have to get every spike, so you always tend to ignore this. And then look this, when they are ranging in one area, yet on top it's really going up, so this is giving you more of a divergence. So immediately after that will be going down for some time, as long as what is happening on our main chart here is going up, yet on the TDI is on like on a straight line, so it's a divergence. From there, as long as it breaks free out of that area, it will come down, comes to our favorite 43 again, goes up to 50, comes to 37, goes up to 43, comes up to 37. You see, just within our range areas, yeah, goes to 50, comes to 30, to 47, our favorite one, and they are massive spikes. Yeah, so just see what I'm giving you. This is a tip. If you're not going to make money on boom and crash, don't blame anybody. From here up again, and it comes and break that zone. So the moment it breaks the zone and comes down, can always sell. But again, even if you're in a sell, you see where it comes and spikes, so you can always get out of the market, especially if first spike happens on this area, so you know that this area has been used. So always check these areas even when you want to scalp. So comes and break this area, comes to the middle, now ranging. So anything that is not ranging, I really don't do it much. Comes to our area 37, goes to our 43, ranging again, our 43, retesting, and then spikes up. Yeah, so see all this, just ranging within the same area, yet on top it is going up, but here it is just ranging within the same area. So the moment it will break free out of this zone, it might sell for some time, but this time round it broke out of that level, tried coming down, then went again and started ranging, yeah, and then ranging going down. Okay, but all this time round it is just ranging but going down, yeah, you see, going down. It reaches again past a little our level 37, then start coming up, level 37 again, starts going up, level 50. I told you anytime it reverses from level 50, that is very strong trend continuation, goes up again, consolidation around this area, break out a bit, then starts coming down. You see, our level 43 is very key, this area, very key. It tests the first time, the second time, the third time, massive spikes. Okay, our 43 again tested, massive spikes. That is the middle. Anytime it spikes within the middle, that is not our major zones, it won't be much. It won't be much. Okay. So just look for a way of how to utilize this. You can combine it with any other strategy. For me, I was just giving you these key levels. You see, level 49, level 50. It's retested 3 times and then it has to go up. Coming down to our 37 again. See, goes up. So if you can combine these key levels with any other strategy, see when it starts with around our area 43, the spikes will always be massive. So these key areas, you can always okay, miss the first spike because it came unexpected, or you be strict on your money management. Like if it reaches that area, I place a trade 3 candles before, no, 1 candle before, 3 candles after, I close. So if it doesn't spike, well and good. If it spikes, you are still in profit. But still, look even like this kind of trade here. Yeah, so it spikes once and then it goes 3 more spikes. Okay, so yes, there are points where you will have anticipated that it will spike on this zone and then it doesn't spike, but your stop loss is very minimal. It should be at most 4 candles. At most 4 candles, you close that trade for the next opportunity. Okay, so those who can program an EA, please inbox me. I can give you more precise setups for this, but at least you now have this kind of strategy already. So you see, to our level 37 and then it goes to 43 and then just spikes going up. See, all this is happening around the same area, spiking on the same area, all of them, as much as it is ranging, goes up and then starts breaking down, coming down. Okay, goes to these points begin when you see this one that uses the top line as our resistance, then it must come down for a while. So it started ranging for some time, but it was somehow coming down. See here, level 50 is used, 1 spike, comes down a bit, ranging, uses again our top level, which is level 59 as resistance, comes down, comes and uses here our level 50 as support, goes up. So it is very key, very key. You see, they are always within those areas, and anything that does not fall within this area, it is a ranging market and it will not give you good pips. But as long as it spikes within these areas, you are assured of good profit. Okay, you are assured of good profit. So you can combine this with a TDI or something else. Anything that is outside of our zones, I tend to ignore. Let's continue. You see all this within our zones, like it's not really respecting and as long as it's not respecting, it's like it's more of trendish. In fact, in such a setup, you even don't buy or sell. So for those who are scalping, when you see this kind of setup where it's not respecting any of your areas, try to avoid. Don't buy, no, don't sell. Okay, then here comes like trying to retest our 43, then massive spikes. There again our levels. So you see, from I told you level 50 is very key. As long as it spikes from level 50, it will go up for some time. Okay, goes to our level 69, starts coming down. Okay, comes to our level 50 again. See, level 50, massive spikes. This is magic. This is magic. I was not supposed to have given this strategy for free, but since you guys are more precious to me, so take advantage of this. See, coming down to our 37, exact as it is. Okay, so spikes on level 37, retest 37, goes up a bit, goes to 43. Yeah, goes to 43, middle, 3 spikes, goes up and down. So it is more of a ranging market, but our spiking zone is 43. Yeah, comes to our 37. See, okay, so that's it, guys. Look this. As long as it is retesting, you see, first, second, third, it has to go massively. Oh, I love this kind of setup. It goes massively. This is not less than 70 pips or 80. Okay, goes, all this is on the same area, as much as it is 111 spike, but it is on the same area. And I told you, when it breaks free out of such a zone, because here is like on a straight line, yet on top it is going up. When it breaks free out of that zone, it will sell for some time. See, from there down to come and retest our level 50, spikes again because we were still on an uptrend, goes and uses our level 60 as resistance, comes down to almost 37, ranges within our 43. See, 43 twice, one spike, comes and passes a bit, and then 3 more spikes. Yeah, so this thing is so sweet. When you read Boom and Crash like a book, you will get very deep secrets. You see, and then massive spikes. Yeah, as long as it is retesting, the spikes will be massive. See, our level 37, massive spike. Yeah, that is the end. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that. Let's take we want Boom 500, so let's take Crash 500 chart. Okay, let's go back a bit and check our levels. Okay, I think that is enough. You see, it comes back to our levels again. Level 69 is used for some time. Yeah, so here it takes all the way from level 37. So the same levels are used also for Crash. See, here, as long as it used here as support, it will go up for some time, passes a bit, and then comes down, ranges between, goes to our 69 spikes. Yeah, crosses a bit, comes down, goes to retest our 69 spikes within our 69 area for so long. Okay, and then starts coming down. Okay, you see 69, but using 50 as resistance, using 50 as support, I mean. So it's not going above that area, neither coming down. goes again to restate our, as long as it's not gone below 50, then we are still on an uptrend. Yes, the spikes will come not very strong, but we are still on the bias area. So goes to our level 60 spikes again. Our level 60 again spikes, ranges in between level 60 again spike, level 60 again spike, yeah, level 60 again spike. All these are level 60s, level 60, all these. Then here 3 more spikes, comes to level 47. So these two set test level 50 spikes, goes all the way to past level 60, a small spike, and then starts coming down. So you see it's coming down, yet on top it's more going up, so there is a divergence there, and then tries to go up, goes to our level 60 spikes. Okay, spikes, all that, ranging within this area. Okay, so the moment it will break free out of that area, you can always buy. And as long as it's not broken out of these areas, don't even try to scalp. Okay, you see the same area for so long. But as I told you, level 50 is always used. You see, when it was here, it was retesting our level 50 for the second time. Okay, so it had, I think it had retested for some time. Yeah, so here, sorry, I wanted to pick this. So this was our first like retest, and then the second one, and then from there now we started officially on a downtrend all through until we break free out of that. Okay, so from here going forward, you can now start buying as long as it's gotten free out of that consolidation zone. So this is like in between, no major setup, goes all the way to our level 59. Okay, retest our level 59 again, here, all these are spikes that you're catching. Okay, for this 59. Okay, so what I mean is this, you see, comes down. So what I mean is this, see, this was a very long sell. As long as it breaks free from your consolidation area, you can always buy. You don't need to buy all the way, but you can buy a few candles. See here, level 69. There you go. So you've seen it. So when it uses a place like as support for some time, then know that it will not go below that, but it will just start buying from there. Okay, you see, comes and uses again this level for some time, then it goes above. But anything above these levels, like on top here, I told you I don't even try to catch spikes, because it's more of a dangerous zone. No spikes, nothing, and you don't know when the spikes for reversals will come, so it's more of a dangerous zone, so I don't trade. So come and check here, comes to our level 69, tries to retest, and then the third retesting, massive spikes all the way. Okay, so we come and consolidate around the same area here, goes to our level 59, comes down, level 50, comes down. Okay, you see all this. So utilize this again. Okay, so they are very relevant. Use this to your advantage. If you want to really get very precise entries, you can add it to another strategy and it will be more good for you. So that's it for this video, guys. It was just a short one trying to point out these zones for you. So it's just simple plain, no indicator like complicated, just RSI 81, and make sure you input these points, level 37, level 37, level 4, you can put 7.76, 43, 0.27, 50, 59, 69. That's all. That's all you need for this kind of strategy. So you can add a TDI and you're good to go. So God bless you guys and happy trading. Bye.